Now let's look at this nifty little screwdriver. It's a lot older than a Stanley. The numbers are awfully small. See if I can read them. Goodell, Goodell, BRO''S. Goodell Brothers, Greenfield, Massachusetts. Patented July 22nd, 1890, November 17th, 1891. Has a different type of screwdriver bit than the Yankees. It's got a collet. And it only drives in. When you press on the handle, it only turns one way. Not like a Yankee, can't reverse it, it only goes one direction. Interesting. I don't see any evidence of how this piece is held onto the screw. So it'll drive like that, and then when you pull up, the screw freewheels in the nose piece, and when you push it forward, it locks into the nose piece again. So that's how they get the ratchet action. Instead of having the little thumb button, that lets you go forward and back, that's reverse, and that's forward. This one only lets you go forward. And the thimble that your hand rides on is held on by the collet. Rather than this latching device here, which you turn to lock. If you turn it holding the handle, if you turn it Counterclockwise it locks, you turn it clockwise, it unlocks. This one just has a simple tenon, mortise and tenon, that it slips into, and then it's locked. You can use it as a regular screwdriver. Much like this one. You put the ratchet in the center position, and lock this collar, and it's like a standard screwdriver. Just checking to see, didn't think the shanks were interchangeable, and they're not. So this is the only screwdriver bit that I have for this. Pretty slick little tool. The thing I can see it needing is some oil. Just a little bit on those threads. Doesn't need a lot. That is a fine tool. Still works just as good as the day it was made. I am impressed. Well, that's enough for tonight.